I'm Jackson Rudolph with Team Paul Mitchell Karate and founder of the Flow System, and today we're going to work on one of my signature moves, the finger spin. Now, a lot of people think when I'm doing the finger spin that I'm actually rolling the bow around my finger, but that's not what's happening. What's really happening is I'm doing a little push of the bow every time it rotates around. Let me explain. If I was to roll the bow over my finger, what starts to happen is, just like with a hand roll, I'm eventually going to run out of space. When I start to roll around my finger, that same thing starts to happen where you already see me running out of bow. But if I make each technique a little release, starting with a push slightly to the left side of the center, you're going to find the center of that bow, your right index finger is going to come underneath, and you're going to push just left of that center to create the rotation. So you give it a push, the rotation starts, and you continue to push in that same spot over and over again to continue that rotation. To make this move look cleaner, you can pull back a nice chamber, maybe lean over into it a little bit more, and add some style to the end of the technique with a 360. So one more time, the finger spin starts from the center. You're going to be pushing one end, creating the rotation, and then continuing the finger spin from there. There's many different setups for the finger spin. You can go from a regular butterfly release, throwing here and going to your finger spins, or you can do it the way that I do it in my form, going from the behind the back throw and onto the finger. Have fun and get to work, and let's see if you can master one of my signature moves.